Well, the numbers just show us it has been a tough year for animal shelters across the Piedmont. Intake numbers continue to climb in many cases, as do euthanasia rates. This is how many cats and dogs were put down in Davidson, Guilford, and Surry counties, and the number lower for the Burlington Animal Shelter, the only shelter in Alamance County.
Fox 8's Sarah Winkleman, she joins us live in Burlington with a look at how they are able to keep such low numbers. Sarah.
Well, every community is different in what resources they have available to them in order to keep those numbers down. And here in Burlington, they have incredible community support. One of the things that they've noticed is as they're able to keep those death numbers down, the donations in the community have actually gone up, meaning that they can fund even more programs to keep those euthanasia numbers low.
The only euthanasia that we do, and we're committed to that, is for animals where it's a humane necessity. So if they're at the end of life or experiencing a terminal illness or such severe trauma that they can't recover from.
It's a luxury other counties don't have. I spoke to the Surry County Animal Services Director, who says their shelter is forced to euthanize because of overcrowding. According to data from the Best Friends Animal Society National Life-Saving Dashboard, Alamance had the best save rate in the state in 2022 at 95%.
So we've maintained above a 90% save rate since 2018.
A growing feral cat problem also impacting many counties in the Piedmont.
I think people were reluctant to bring cats in because they knew the outcome may be death.
Now, Alamance County saves about 1,300 cats from euthanasia a year, thanks to their Mighty Mousers program, where they vaccinate and sterilize the cats and send them back with the people who brought them in.
These are cats that often aren't social cats. They're living in communities, and we ask residents that have cats, here in Alamance County that they're feeding, to please get them through our program so we can make sure that they're not going to be having more kittens.
Programs like that are funded by donations and grants. It's the same way they're able to keep adoption prices low, typically around $25, where other more rural places like Surry County are forced to charge more than $100 a pet. The Surry County Animal Services Director tells me it's because they need the revenue.
Certainly, we're all working within the resources that we have within our communities, and I think folks are, really making extra efforts this year to increase life saving.
And area rescues as well as fosters have made a huge impact in those numbers here in Burlington, as well as other communities all across the Triad. But those leaders from shelters tell me they really need the community to step up to help get these numbers down. So if you're able to, make sure to spay and neuter your pets that you have at home. And if you're willing and able to donate or adopt, that will really help these numbers continue to go down. Live in Burlington, Sarah Winkleman, Fox 8 News.
Sarah,